subscribe, and have a good day, cutie. Are you married?
Yeah, I am.
Poor lady. She deserves better.
Hey, buddy, how are you today?
Better than you.
Oh, and why is that?
I don't pay bills.
Oh, no.
Imagine working.
Any stress lately?
Not really, just tired.
Liar! You cried in the shower last night.
Oh, that's detailed.
He even hugged the shampoo bottle.
Don't tell my wife I was out late again, okay?
Too late. I texted her.
What?
I even sent the selfie. You still single?
Yeah, why?
No wonder. Look at your hair.
What's wrong with it?
It looks like it fought the fan and lost. He doesn't floss. Really? Only before appointments.
Bro, stop!
Tell him about the candy stash.
Oh my god.
Told ya.
Isso, gente, tá cara a cara com o rei da selva. Valente, hein? Eita!
Meu Deus! Acabou pra ele, fingiu de morto.